Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Marissa Roots Undone. Oh my gosh, it feels like ages since I sat in front of this camera. I am back-ish. I am in my final week at uni, my final week of second year at uni, and it's just been a hectic. It hasn't been that bad, but there's just been a lot going on. At the end of last term / beginning of this term, I had my first internship and that went really well. Like, it just went so good. I had lots of good feedback, some exciting news and everything. And then for my project that I did for my last uni module, that got submitted into a competition, and then it got to the second round of the competition, so I had to physically make it. It was packaging for tea. I studied graphic design, so I had to physically make that, and then I've had my actual uni project going on alongside. I've been sorting out my dissertation to hopefully get my dissertation written over the summer, so that when I come back for third year I could just focus on my actual work and not my work and my dissertation. And it's just been a lot, but I'm enjoying it. But I have with me here what month are we in? Oh my gosh, May. I have with me the May Treasure Tress box, and as you can see, I haven't. Wait, no, we're in June. Oh my gosh, where's my phone? Wait, yeah, okay, I was right. We're in May. Sorry. See, this is the mess that is my head right now. Okay, so I have the May Treasure Tress box with me right here, and as you can see, I haven't opened it yet. I haven't really had a chance to, but I thought that I would do a first impressions unboxing video for you guys, and literally you're gonna see me open the box because I literally have not opened it. I haven't even taken the box out of the box yet. So we have the May Treasure Tress box. As you all know, I do have a discount code that you can use, which is Roots Undone in capital letters, and you can get 10% off of your first Treasure Tress box. So make sure to use my code and join me for these unboxings and these tutorials. And yeah, let me know what you think. Treasure Tress are very flexible. If you want to receive a box bi-monthly or every 3 months, or just twice a year, every 6 months, just let them know and they can sort that out for you. So you don't have to receive a box every month if you don't want to, but use my code. Anyway, I've got my keys here, and I'm just going to open the box somehow. I have no idea what goodies are in this month's box. I've barely been on social media, so I haven't even seen any of Treasure Tress posts or anyone else's posts showcasing what they received in this month's box. I actually received it a few days ago, but like I said, I've just been busy, so I have no idea whatsoever is inside this box. Not a clue. Not a clue at all. So that's kind of fun. I don't think I've ever done one of these before where I have zero clue what's inside. So actually, should I show you guys first? I might show you guys first, and then I'm going to show me. Let's see if we can do this. Try not to do. Okay, so we have a card. I'm not looking. Oh, that's a cute picture. Okay, so I didn't take a peek. Let's try to open this now. Oh, it ripped. Can you guys see? Okay, so you guys can see that, yeah? So now I'm gonna take a look. Oh my gosh! Do you know what? I see this brand all the time, but I've never tried it. Apart from the edge control that we received in a box a couple weeks ago. Well, weeks, a couple months ago. But oh my gosh, this looks so interesting. So, okay, I should actually show you guys what it is. Sorry. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm so interested. The products look so liquidy, they're not very creamy, so I'm really intrigued at what they are. okay. Do you know, I think I really like the branding, like the graphic design, like the packaging as well. My passion is packaging and branding, so I think that's what's kind of getting me excited. So it is a takeover box, and we have the, let's sort this out. So we have the Clear and Nourish Pure Treatment Shampoo. Oh my gosh, that's okay. We have the Clear and Nourish. I can't talk. I'm so done. The Clear and Nourish Pure Treatment Shampoo, which is this. I can't really smell anything at the moment. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that smells beautiful. Then we have the Clear and Nourish Pure Hydration Conditioner. Guys, this is conditioner. Like, it looks like shampoo. Like, since when do you see clear conditioner? Like, conditioner is usually like white or pink or brown or creamy. Like, it's see-through. I can't wait to try this. Like, how do you have clear conditioner? Like, what is it made from? That's a no, it's not clear conditioner. Okay, it says, it works so well for those of us with thicker hair. You guys know I struggle. It was especially formulated with our varied textures in mind. Remembering our sections, you want to apply this evenly to wet, clean hair, starting at the ends and working towards the roots. Using a wide tooth comb or your hand to detangle the hair. Always remember to start from the ends when detangling and work with a section at a time. I can't wait to try this. Clear conditioner. Like, how would you have clear conditioner? Okay. Then we also have the Clear and Nourish Hydration Shape and Style Mousse, which I'm guessing is this. And you can either use all of the stylists in this month's box to achieve a bomb style. This mousse is so versatile, you can use it to define your curls, and the weightless formula will not make your hair feel sticky or crunchy. This product promises frizz-free styling to enhance our curl patterns, and it doesn't disappoint. I'm intrigued because my curls are quite tight, like I have quite a tight curl pattern, so I'm gonna have to see what this can do. I'm gonna have to put it to the test. My curls are tight and my hair is super thick, so let's see. We then have the Clear and Nourish Hydration Curl Gel. And this is the first thing that I picked up. And it's almost like, it looks a bit like a custard. Can you guys see that? Ugh. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like pina coladas, and I love pina coladas. Well, it smells kind of tropical. It smells like a cross between pina colada and tropical juice. Two things I love. So for the gel, it says this curl gel has big shoes to fill after the edge gel we all fell in love with. This is going to give you a wash and go to live for, and you guys know I love my wash and goes. You've never seen your curls look so perfect until now. Again, distribute evenly through wet or damp hair from roots to ends and keep those sections. And then we have the Clear and Nourish Frizz Control Serum, which is this. It says to all of our tweens. So I received the tween box, if you've ever wondered, or if you've ever had received a couple different products to me, it's because I received the tween box. But yeah, so to all of our tweens who want to experiment with a little heat this month, and those who don't, this makes for a great heat protectant, but also adds great shine to your hair when used without. When blow drying on clean hair, damp hair. Ugh, I can't read. You guys get what I mean. Sorry, I've done so much reading. I had a presentation at uni yesterday. I'm so done. Okay. But yeah, anyway, I'm really interested. So I don't actually have time to try these out right now, as I have my final deadline of the year in like 4 days time. But after that, I'm giving my hair some TLC because yeah, it's just been left alone for a while. It's bad. But I'm really intrigued to try out this clear conditioner. So let me know let me know what you guys think about the May box, and yeah, let me know what you think about clear conditioner. If you've tried it already, let me know what you think. And thank you for watching. Make sure to use my discount code, and I may come back with some results after using the full line.